Today I'm making green enchilada chicken soup. Very easy, and instead of using chicken breast, I'm going to make it short and simple, and I've got rotisserie chicken here. So the ingredients are, this is 1 yellow squash, 1 zucchini, 1 can of Fiesta corn. All right, I'm going to use 3 cans. These are 10-ounce cans, so I want a total of 30 ounces of this green enchilada sauce, and I'm using the mild. 1 4-ounce can of the mild green chilies. I've got about a cup and a half of diced onion. I have a 28-ounce can of tomatillas. Now, you can use the fresh ones, probably be 8 to 10, and chop them up. Garlic, 2 bay leaves, cilantro, and my seasoning, which is cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper, and unsalted chicken stock. So let's get started on Darlene's table. First thing I'm going to do is saute the onion for a few minutes, and then we'll add the garlic. Okay, after about 4 or 5 minutes of sauteing the onion, we're going to add the garlic. My husband is so good at chopping garlic. Let this go for a minute or two. I'm going to add the 3 cans of green enchilada sauce. The can of green chilies. The Fiesta corn. You just need a 14-ounce can. This is not a full carton. All right, let's give this a stir. The tomatillas. Two bay leaves. This is my chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. Cilantro. And this is the yellow squash and the zucchini. Now I'm going to let this cook just until the squash is tender. All right, let's check the squash. Oh yeah, the squash is tender. So I'm using rotisserie chicken, and it calls for 1.5 pounds, and I've got about 2 pounds here. I don't believe I'll be using that much, but we'll see. We're going to get this hot. Let's see how much that is. I'm going to go ahead and take the bay leaves out because they're right there. Oh yeah, this smells really good, and it tastes really good. That's the important thing. If it smells good, it usually tastes good. All right, now I'm going to let that chicken get heated up in there, and we'll come back to this. Look, okay, it's all heated up. It's going to be ready to serve, but first I'm going to stir in a cup. I would use the whole, I like the whole fat. You can use 2%, but I wouldn't use 0 fat. Get the sour cream all blended in here. Just gives it a little creaminess. That looks yummy. It tasted wonderful before adding the sour cream. So if you didn't want the sour cream, you could do without it, but it adds a little creaminess to it that I think makes it even better. All right, let's serve this up. If you wanted more corn, you could use 2 of the Fiesta corns. All right. And there you have it. Rich, creamy, with lots of chicken. This green enchilada chicken soup is sure to become a favorite. Whether you're making it for a cozy night in or impressing your friends and family, this recipe is as easy as it is delicious. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty recipe. Drop a comment below if you try this soup. I'd love to hear how it turns out. Until next time, happy cooking. God bless, and thanks as always for watching Darlene's Table.